For days, former U.S. President Donald Trump's escalated his attacks, trying to discredit and campaign off his latest criminal charges.
And in the end, they're not after me, they're after you. I'm just standing in their way.
Now in new court filings, his legal team wrote that in a trial they say is all about freedom of speech, the government seeks to restrict First Amendment rights. Worse, it does so against its administration's primary political opponent during an election season.
Trump's legal team are quibbling with several aspects of the protective order.
Protective orders are common. Federal prosecutors asked for one in this case to protect what sensitive evidence Trump's team can make public ahead of the trial. Trump pleaded not guilty last week of conspiring to overturn the 2020 election. His case centers around what led up to his supporters violently storming the U.S. Capitol. Prosecutors argue if Trump makes certain evidence public, it could have a harmful chilling effect on witnesses. This after Trump posted online Friday, "If you go after me, I'm coming after you."
Trump's legal team wants the protective order to apply only to what's designated as sensitive materials, which are things which they want to define more narrowly as well.
Trump's team also wants to broaden who's authorized to see that material, saying it's not just Trump's lawyers that should have access, but any volunteers helping with his case too.
It's really the first of what I expect will be many skirmishes about whether this case is going to get bogged down or whether it's going to be moved along expeditiously. The government wants it to move along. The judge seems to want to move it along. But from Donald Trump's perspective, it's all about delay.
Ashley, federal prosecutors are responding to this tonight. What are they saying?
Well, Asha, federal prosecutors called what Trump's team is asking for unreasonable and argue that they are trying to litigate this case in the media rather than the courtroom. They included a list of all of the interviews Trump's defense team gave over the weekend to TV networks making claims about this case. Now the judge is ordering both sides to meet tomorrow and come up with dates for a hearing so that she can move forward and make a decision.
The CBC's Ashley Burke in Washington. Thank you.